Multi-channel chat Qiscus has released an iOS in-app widget. To integrate this into multi-channel chat, note the following steps. Run pod install. Open Chat Manager.swift in your example project. Replace your _app ID line 23 value with your app ID from the app information page in the multi-channel dashboard. You can also modify room title and room subtitle. You can integrate specific Qiscus widgets by implementing channel ID in this code. To access your channel ID, log into your multi-channel chat account. Go to the Integrations menu on the left menu bar. Select the Qiscus widget that you want to integrate and ensure they are active. The channel ID value will be shown in the code section. Replace the channel ID in this code. Run your code. Success! The iOS in-app widget has now been integrated with your iOS mobile application. Now, you can reach your customers who are using the iOS mobile application via your multi-channel chat. Interested to try? Jump onto your dashboard now.